you in Johnny English.
Yes.
Which was a DB7, which shows
Yes,
how long
a
ago...
DB7 Vantage, exactly. That shows how long ago it was. It was 2002 when we made the first Johnny English.
And of course now there is another one.
There is a new one, Johnny English Reborn.
Reborn?
Yeah.
And what... I'm embarrassed to say, I haven't actually seen it, but there is
there's a very good reason for that, because we haven't actually finished it. But it's coming. It's in the pipelines. It's out in September. So you'll see it then.
We have a sample of what's going to be in the new movie, hopefully some
bits and bobs. Yes.
Let's have a look at the clip.
The world's greatest spy.
Johnny English. Work hard, play hard.
Is back. And deadlier than ever.
You've been away for some time, English. But you haven't been forgotten.
There is a plot to kill the Premier.
Time is of the essence. Where are we on security?
English?
Give me 24 hours.
In 2011.
My country needs me. It's Johnny English. Let's kick some bottom.
British intelligence fights back.
Johnny.
It's the killer from Hong Kong. Murderous crone. I've got her, you old hag. She's the killer.
She's my mother. Granny!
So I thought the last one was epic. And that looks...
Yeah, you've got to see that, wouldn't you?
That looks great. Now, obviously, let's talk about the cars in there.
Yes,
I saw a Rolls-Royce, the Phantom...
Yeah, Rolls-Royce Phantom Coupe, yes, exactly. I feel as though the Aston thing has been a bit overdone. It's in the James Bond movies, and we used it in the first film, and I just felt like doing something a bit different, and I'd become